Predictive maintenance with IoT is transforming how businesses manage their equipment and infrastructure. By using sensor data to predict equipment failures before they occur, organizations can dramatically reduce downtime, save costs, and improve operational efficiency. This technology represents a major advancement in the Internet of Things space, moving from reactive repairs to proactive prevention. Predictive maintenance is a proactive approach that uses data analysis and sensor monitoring to predict when equipment will fail. Instead of waiting for breakdowns to happen or performing maintenance on a fixed schedule, predictive maintenance allows you to service equipment exactly when needed. By analyzing patterns in sensor data, you can identify warning signs and address issues before they turn into costly failures. Unexpected equipment failures create serious problems for businesses. Costly downtime can mean thousands of dollars lost per hour in halted production. Emergency repairs are not only expensive but often incomplete, leading to recurring issues. Sudden failures also pose significant safety risks, potentially endangering workers and facilities. Additionally, production delays result in missed deadlines, unhappy customers, and lost revenue. These challenges make a strong case for moving beyond reactive maintenance strategies. IoT sensors are the foundation of predictive maintenance systems. Temperature sensors detect overheating components that might be approaching failure. Vibration sensors identify bearing wear and mechanical imbalance. Acoustic sensors detect unusual sounds and leaks that human ears might miss. Current sensors monitor electrical consumption patterns to spot anomalies. Pressure sensors track hydraulic and pneumatic systems for irregularities. Humidity sensors help prevent corrosion and condensation damage. Together, these sensors provide a comprehensive view of equipment health. The predictive maintenance process follows 4 key steps. First, IoT sensors continuously collect data from equipment, monitoring various parameters around the clock. Second, this data is transmitted to cloud platforms in real time for processing and storage. Third, artificial intelligence algorithms analyze the data to detect patterns and identify anomalies that might indicate potential failures. Finally, the system alerts maintenance teams before failures occur, giving them time to plan and execute repairs during scheduled downtime rather than dealing with emergency breakdowns. Several advanced technologies power predictive maintenance systems. Machine learning algorithms learn what normal equipment behavior looks like and identify deviations that signal potential failures. Big data analytics platforms process massive amounts of sensor data to find meaningful patterns and trends that would be impossible to detect manually. Cloud computing provides the scalable infrastructure needed to store and analyze data from thousands of devices across multiple locations. Edge computing processes critical data locally at the device level, enabling faster response times and reducing latency for time-sensitive alerts. Predictive maintenance is being applied across numerous industries with impressive results. In manufacturing, it monitors production lines, motors, and conveyor systems to prevent costly production stoppages. Aviation companies track aircraft engine health and components to ensure safety and minimize maintenance costs. Energy sector organizations predict wind turbine and power grid failures to maintain consistent service. Automotive manufacturers monitor fleet vehicles and assembly robots to optimize operations. Healthcare facilities maintain critical medical equipment and imaging devices to ensure patient care continuity. Building managers use it to manage HVAC systems and elevators, improving tenant comfort and reducing repair costs. The benefits of implementing predictive maintenance are substantial and measurable. Organizations can reduce unplanned downtime by up to 50%, translating to significantly more productive hours. Maintenance costs typically decrease by 25 to 30%, by eliminating unnecessary preventive maintenance and reducing emergency repairs. Equipment lifespan can be extended by 20 to 40% through optimized maintenance schedules that prevent both overmaintenance and undermaintenance. Perhaps most importantly, Safety improves significantly as dangerous failures are prevented, protecting workers and facilities from harm. While the benefits are clear, implementing predictive maintenance does present challenges. The initial investment in sensors, software, and infrastructure requires upfront capital, though starting small with critical equipment and scaling gradually can manage costs. Data complexity can be overwhelming when managing and interpreting large volumes of sensor data, but cloud platforms with built-in analytics tools help simplify this process. Legacy equipment may not be sensor-ready, but retrofit solutions using external sensors and gateways can address this limitation. Finally, the skills gap is real as teams need training in IoT and data analysis, making investment in education and partnerships with experts essential for success. Getting started with predictive maintenance involves 5 key steps. First, identify your critical assets by focusing on equipment where failures would have the highest impact on operations. Second, deploy IoT sensors on this equipment to collect relevant performance data. Third, choose a cloud analytics platform that fits your technical requirements and budget. Fourth, train your team to ensure staff can properly interpret alerts and take appropriate action. Finally, continuously monitor and optimize your system, refining your machine learning models based on real-world results. Remember, the best approach is to start small, prove the value with measurable results, and then scale your implementation across more equipment and facilities.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.